The Sportsman 2 Portable Gas Grill from Pit Boss is the ideal grilling experience for the true outdoorsman. Perfect for the campground or the backyard. The Sportsman 2 feature robust versatility in an innovative transportable package, so you can take it with you wherever you go. The Sportsman 2 has 2 independent heating zones and a higher heat output than the competition, and comes standard with cast iron cooking grids to provide you maximum cooking flexibility with a very user-friendly experience. With the optional reversible cast iron griddle insert, you can make your favorite griddle creation like eggs, pancakes, and bacon. Or use the ridge side for more traditional grilling and reduced fat cooking. You can also use the optional reversible trivet to create your favorite soups or fry up your favorite recipe in a wok. The high dome design of the lid and versatile grill shape provide enough room to easily cook a full-size pizza, 2 chickens, or a whole turkey. The optional upper cooking grid gives you room to prepare smaller items like vegetables or kebabs. The opportunities are endless. Cast aluminum lid and grill body ensure the grill will never rust and will provide durability and longevity. The integrated grease tray collection system and grease liners provide for easy cleaning, and the built-in flame tamers minimize flare-ups, and each stainless steel burner has the surefire ignition to ensure each burner lights the first time, every time. The Sportsman 2 also features a slew of innovative accompaniments, including a large, easy-to-read thermometer, stainless steel cool touch handle, sturdy legs, and 2 large folding side shelves with tool hooks to keep your grill organized. The Sportsman 2 has an optional deluxe cart available to provide added storage, built-in condiment tray, and easier mobility, making it easy to transform your portable grill to a powerful standalone grill for the backyard. And don't forget the cover. Optional cover is available for the grill or the grill with the deluxe cart to keep your grill clean and protected from the elements. If you want quality, you want a Pit Boss. The Sportsman 2 is loaded with innovative features and is more versatile than any other grill on the market.